Hello again. Well, after many tries on getting this right, trying to do the videoing and putting it up on my computer, hopefully this time it works. All the other times it hasn't been working. So anyhow, the blue mower you see in front of me here, I've just given it a bit of a wash, cleaned it up, given the wheels a bit of a scrub up. I have taken the engine off that chassis there, and the engine's going on there. So I'm just in the process of cleaning this up. And I've already temporarily fitted it and just placed it on there, and it seems to fit on there, so that's going to be okay. This engine still runs too, so, but it's got a problem with the carburetor where you put fuel in it and it leaks, so I've got to figure out what's going on there. I've drained the oil out of it, ready to put new oil in. So that wee mower there, I haven't done anything with that yet. I've used it a couple of times on my own lawns just to keep them trimmed, and it seems to be okay. I'll get out there later and give it a bit of a tidy up. I'm having trouble finding these handles. That's what comes with it, and the other one was broken, so I've just put that there temporarily. I've got the hedge trimmer running. It seems to run okay. I wonder if I can do it one-handed. Probably not. I was going to start it for you. Probably not. I haven't done anything more with the with these engines here. I have fitted a base plate to this one, so I'll take off all the cover and have a look over it. So this one's the parts machine at the moment, so next thing will be is to take that boss off, and yeah, I tried to take one of the other ones off, but it just didn't want to do it. It's pretty rusted on there, so, and then I've got to get these bolts out, so that's going to be a trick as well, trying to do that. Yeah, so that's about all I've done to those. And I've made a thing. You can see that door there on that lawnmower. Well, here's the old one. As you can see, it's pretty rusty. So that was an absolute bear to take off. Absolute bear. I had to actually cut it off. There's a 8mm rod that goes through there, and it was just rusted on. I had to cut it. So there's the rod you can see there. I've got another piece of 8mm rod to go through it. And I bent that up, and it all seems to work okay. So I'm pretty happy with that. I've got a handle there somewhere too for it. Where did I put that handle? I've got a handle that will go onto it. wherever the heck I put that. I've got to mark it up first and see how we go. It's disappeared. It doesn't surprise me. So anyhow, yeah, there's a handle that goes there. So, and I bent it all up. And yeah, as you can see, it seems to work, so I'm pretty happy with that. I might put new blades on it. The old ones are starting to get a bit worn. That one there, yeah, I'm cleaning up the cover for it. I'll paint that up. I've got some satin black there that would probably do that. I don't think gloss will do it. Clean up these here, these welds. Years ago I had to weld it up. So the that engine runs as well. It runs quite well. I've got to get new axle bushes. The axle bushes are quite worn, so I've got to fit new axle bushes up. Here's the old ones here. As you can see, yeah, they're quite worn, so they shouldn't look like that. So people just use the mowers and just don't do any maintenance. I haven't done anything more with this engine, Honda engine. I should actually get onto that. Got to get onto my bench as well. I cleaned up the cover and the starter, re-greased it, pulled it a bit, re-greased it. Where's that? There. Yeah, I put another bowl gasket in it. So that just needs to go back on. This tank, clean the tank out. The tank looks actually quite good. I'm quite pleased with that. Where's my torch? Flashlight. Yeah, that looks quite good, so happy with that. It's just got a wee touch of rust around that bolt there, but don't think that's anything to worry about. Yeah, so it just needs to give it a wee scrub and put it all back together. It should be a running thing. I don't know what I'm going to do with that body. I'll figure it out, I guess. It's going to be good for parts. So once I do this one up, then that can go. There's the engine there that come off it. As you know, it's seized, so I will I'll take it apart and see what's wrong with it. Hopefully there's not too much wrong with it. But yeah, I think it's just I think it's big end seized, but we'll wait and see. Anyhow, that's about what I've been doing. I haven't been filming any of it, so there's not really much to film. And with the issues trying to get it maybe uploaded as well, so yeah. But no, I was pleased with that. So just a bit of a quick update for you. Alright, okay, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.